Hi, in this video we'll create a simple timesheet process using 3TP. 3TP is Tiresias Theatre Technology Platform. You can find more details about this platform on the company website www.tiresias.co.com, and under the theater you will find all details about the different engines and modules of the platform. Now, what is 3TP? 3TP stands for Tiresias Theatre Technology Platform. It is a multi-tier platform consisting of many technology engines carefully nurtured and coherently connected to minimize coding efforts to accelerate business change. The unique technology capabilities of the multiple 3TP engines enable automating business content of different levels of complexity. 3TP is API enabled that makes organizations connect to multiple ecosystems players in their industry and across industry locally and across borders. Now we'll move to 3TP platform, and whenever you find any question regarding the platform, you can contact us where our contact information is there on our website. 3TP engine. 3TP engine is with web-based application which is multi-company, multi-branch platform, and all user logins in the system could be Active Directory users or local users within the system. To log into the system, here we have the login page for the system, and we'll log in as admin and the company itself, and provide the username, password, and the captcha image for security purposes. Here is the 3TP page, and the default page could be designed, customized based on the need. Nothing is hard-coded within a 3TP, so all the screens and forms and setup forms also are designed from within 3TP itself. To create any process, we have number of designers in 3TP: version designer, report designer, document designer, IVR designer, and data source designer. To create a form and the process, workflow, all these stuff, we can go to version designer. Version designer is a simple drag-drop designer to design any type of processes with all things found there to make it easy to create the process. The process could be created by a business user or IT technical. For technical users, they can do whatever, since there are many tools in the version designer. To design any form, it's only a matter of drag drop. Only drag and drop sections. Like this, inside each section, we can drag drop number of rows, and in each of these rows we can add buttons, we can add text box, text area, password, checkbox, drop down list, date picker, image, hyperlink, file box, location box, charts, text labels, and also plugins. Plugins are a customized controls created by system users to give a more flexible and functional for any of these processes. To create any process, after designing the form itself, like here for example, a drag, a drop, delete controls, amend controls, all of these things are easily done in the designer, so it's easily to delete a section or delete a row or delete a control. All these things are easily done using the 3TB version designer. To design a process, for example, for timesheet. For timesheet, what we need here? We need a button. For this button and each control added to this working area of the version designer, we can click this button here to select it and find the properties of that field. For this button, for example, we can add either a multilingual label or a fixed label. What we mean by multilingual label? Multilingual label, since 3TB is multilingual platform, means that we can, from the settings of 3TB, we can create languages of the system. Right now, for example, we have two languages there in the system, English and Arabic. But easily we can add more languages with specifying the direction of the page to be from left to right or right to left. After creating the languages in the system, we can come here to the system and create a new language item. For example, this button, we need to add a button to click it to submit our timesheet. For this button, if the user needs the system to be multilingual, then he have to create a language items. For example, the language of this page till now it's English. If we select Arabic, from here we'll find the layout of the page moves from right to left, not from left to right. And in this case, and to create a multilingual form, we come to the new language item, we create an item, for example, submit. This is submit button, and here the title of that button, in case the language is selected as Arabic, Irsal, or in English, submit. And this title here, or the ID of this button, we created and then assign that to this button as field title, and we'll find that it's submit. In case we change the language of the form, automatically it will be written in Arabic or the selected language. So in this case, all forms created in the system can be multilingual or can have static language for that. To give the ability to the user to choose the language when logging to the system and starting this process, here we go to the version properties and we select it from here, show page header. Show page header will show the header of this form as well as the language selector. So for this language here, we can give also a title for this form, which is timesheet. So we create a new language item and put it here. And we assign this ID to the version itself, and it